Los Angeles recently experienced an earthquake in the early morning hours of Tuesday. It was felt throughout most of Southern California and measured 4.5 on the Richter scale. No significant damage or injuries were initially reported, though damage assessments are ongoing. Residents near the epicenter in Pico Rivera were the first to feel the quake. Windows were rattled and furniture was shaken in houses near the liquefaction zone. Motorists in Los Angeles reported that traffic lights rocked back and forth and some felt delayed responses when they pressed the gas pedal. Earthquakes often cause items to fall off shelves and cupboards, and this was the case with many home interiors. The building codes in Los Angeles have been largely credited for the limited amount of major structural damage sustained. Exterior of buildings experienced no visible damage from the earthquake. The quake did not affect any buildings or infrastructure severely enough to cause a public safety hazard. Many have compared this relatively minor earthquake to the much larger tremor of 1994, which caused $25 billion in damages. Aftershocks were also a concern for residents of the area, but right now they are considered to be unlikely. A recent survey found that most inhabitants of Los Angeles were not expecting a major earthquake anytime soon. More people are now talking about preparing for a possible emergency related to seismic activity. They are encouraging locals to take sensible precautions and check that their home is seismically secure. The LA County government has already taken certain steps to mitigate potential consequences of earthquakes. They have checked the stability of many buildings, enforced earthquake safety guidelines, and identified all special structures in the area. In the wake of this earthquake, school areas are being advised to conduct drills to simulate an emergency situation. Schools in Los Angeles are now implementing extra reinforcement to important structures on their premises. Earthquake-resistant technology has also been incorporated into some buildings to make them more durable. Emergency services are now more alert and prepared to respond in case of any additional quake incidents. Additionally, geologists are making efforts to study seismic waves and analyze the structure of faults more extensively. There has been evidence that the old main shock-aftershock pattern has started to change in recent years. The risk of strong aftershocks is slightly elevated in comparison to other regions, so people are advised to remain vigilant. The LA City Council is now actively taking steps to improve crisis response systems within the metropolis.